welcome back to this month's Throwback Thursday. This is a collection of videos by international YouTubers who look back at old footage and photographs and upload to this playlist. There will be a link to the playlist at the end and a card appear somewhere, and also in the description below if you'd like to check out the other videos in this Throwback Thursday. This Throwback Thursday we are going to take a trip back to an old Roman city which was destroyed by Mount Vesuvius many years ago. So we're going to visit Pompeii. I hope you enjoy this visit to Pompeii. It's from our visit to Italy back in 2004. We'll get on with the video now.
Also, this is in the walls, the disposition concerning the architectural elements, indicating this creating different forms inside the glass.
Хорошо, anche Italia.
Vector of animals. That's why portrayed with horse. So called the tablinum from Latin word edoma barbita. And the entire breakfast just consisting of the one used to have dining room, flowers and plain fountain, vegetables and fruit trees on the other side, portrait on the floor. Such beautiful. Which were all of one same types, but with the dolphin on the shoulder, which was a big fountain. Which is sundial, built at the expense of the local magistrates whose names are well engraved in the shaft of the tower. Lucius Secundus Marcus Aurelius, in relation to the citizens of the
Hope you enjoyed that little walk round Pompeii. It was a really hot day. It was amazing. The hairs on the back of your neck stood up thinking that all those people that died, you know, when the Mount Vesuvius erupted, must have been terrifying for them. But it was a real experience walking around there. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to give us that little thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and you like what's on my channel, click that little subscribe button and also that little notification bell. Don't forget, there is a link to the playlist here and also in the description below, so you can check out the other YouTubers' videos. Right, so that's the end of July's Throwback Thursday. We shall see you for another one in August. Bye for now. Bye.